Welcome to our comprehensive Odoo 18 security series. In this introductory video, we will explore the fundamental concept of security in Odoo 18 and give you a complete roadmap of what you will master in our upcoming detailed tutorials. This is your gateway to understand Odoo's robust security framework, from basic concepts to advanced implementation strategies, perfect for developers, system administrators, and Odoo implementers who want to build secure enterprise brand ERP solution. What we will discover, right? The complete security architecture overview, 6 essential security component breakdown, why security matters in ERP system, roadmap for mastering Odoo security. And the last one is what to expect in our detailed tutorial series. Welcome everyone. Today we are exploring Odoo 18's security architecture, and let me tell you, it's like a digital first rate protecting your business data. Odoo uses a multi-layer protection system where each layer adds another level of security. We start with authentication, providing who you are, and then authorization, determining what you are allowed to do, and finally access control, deciding what data you can actually see. This is not just application level security. We are talking about comprehensive protection from the web server all the way down to the database level, all built on a robust role-based access control system. So let's break down security info. Four fundamental questions that every secure system must answer. The first, who? We need to verify user identity through robust authentication. Think username and password, two-factor authentication, right? The second is what? Once we know who you are, what actions can perform? Can you create records, modify them, or just view them? The third one is the when. This covers session management with time-based access. Maybe certain operations are only allowed during business hours. And finally, where in today's multi-company, multi-location businesses, we need location and company-based restrictions. A user in the New York office shouldn't necessarily access Mumbai's office data, right? Now, let's dive into the 4 security layers that make Odoo so robust. Layer 1 is your web security, web server security. This includes HTTPS encryption and firewall protections. It's your first line of defense against external threats. Layer 2 is where Odoo's application framework shines, built-in security features that protect your business logic. Layer 3 goes deeper into database security, where PostgreSQL Advanced Permission System adds another barrier. And Layer 4 is where you as a developer can implement custom business logic, security rules specific to your organization's need. Each layer reinforms the other, creating an incredibly strong security foundation. Here's the heart of our tutorial series. The 6 security components you will master. Security group handles a user role management at a system-wide level. Teams, sales manager or accountants. Record rules provides a granular data filtering, ensuring users only see records they should access. Access rights control basic CRUD operation on nodes. You can create, read, update, or delete. Field security goes even deeper, controlling individual field visibility and editability. Menu security manages when what users see in the Odoo's interface, and CSV file helps you to manage and deploy all these configurations systematically. Each component serves a specific purpose and work together to create comprehensive security. Why should you care about Odoo security? Let me give you 5 complaining reasons. First, data protection. Your ERP contains the crown jewels of your business: customer data, financial records, employee information. One security breach could devastate your company's reputation and bottom line. Second, compliance. Whether it's GDPR in Europe, aspects for public companies or industrial specific regulations. Proper security helps you meet legal requirements. Third, business continuity. Security is not just about hackers. It's about preventing accidental data loss and ensuring your business can operate smoothly. Four, user is experience. Good security actually improves usability by showing users only what they need to see. And finally, scalability. As your business grows across multiple companies and hundreds of users, robust security becomes absolutely critical. Implementing Odoo security is not random. It follows a systematic approach. We start with planning by analyzing your business requirements. Who are your users? What roles do they play? What data do they need access to? Then we design by creating appropriate security groups and categories that mirror your organizational structure. Next comes implementation, where we configure the actual rules and permissions. But here's what many people skip. Testing. You must validate your security setup by logging in as a different user, ensuring they see exactly what they should. Then we deploy using CSV files for consistent, repeatable installations. Finally, we monitor with regular security audits become business needs. Change and security must involve with them. What are the real world benefits of implementing proper Odoo security? Let me share some impressive numbers and outcomes. Companies that implement comprehensive Odoo security see up to 90% fewer security incidents. That's a massive risk reduction. Compliance achievement becomes straightforward when security is built into your system from the group up. Operational efficiency actually improves because users are not overwhelmed with irrelevant data. They see exactly what they need for their role. You get complete audit trials, solving who exceed what and when, which is invaluable for investigations and compliance reporting. And perhaps most importantly, you get peace of mind knowing your business is protected by enterprise grade security that scales with your growth. Now, here are what you can expect in a comprehensive tutorial series. First, we will deep dive into the four types of securities: record level, field level, nano level, and module level, with practical examples for each. Then we will get hands-on with creating and managing security groups, including advanced techniques and best practices. We will explore group categories and learn how to organize them effectively for your business. The record rules tutorial will cover advanced filtering and domain logic that can handle complex business scenarios. We will master CSV files for configuration management and deployment. And finally, we will put it all together in a real world project where we will implement a complete security system from scratch. Each tutorial builds on the previous one. So by the end, you will be a complete Odoo security expert. Before we wrap up, let me share the 5 key takeaways that will guide your Odoo security journey. First, remember that security in Odoo is multidimensional. It's not just about passwords, it's about every aspect of data access and the user interaction. Second, the layered approach provides comprehensive protection. Each layer adds value and strengthens the overall system. Third, role-based design simplifies management enormously. Instead of managing individual permissions, you manage roles and assign users to them. Fourth, Odoo's configuration-driven approach means you can maintain and modify security without touching code, making it accessible to functional consultants and system administrators. And finally, practical implementation requires a systematically approach. Don't just wing it. Follow the proven methodology we will teach you in this series. Finally, let's talk about what you need to succeed in this series and your next step. Prerequisites are pretty straightforward. You should have a basic coding knowledge, understand general user management concepts, and be familiar with business processes. Security ultimately serve business needs. Don't worry if you are not an expert. We will explain everything as we go. For the next step, first and most importantly, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any tutorial in this series. I will also provide you the GitHub link so you can easily download that module and you can also play with it. Join our community discussion in the comments. I read every comment and often create a new content based on your requirements. And when you are ready, start with security groups tutorial, which will be the next video in this series. Thank you for joining me today. Your journey to mastering Odoo security starts now. I will see you in the next tutorial where we deep dive into the type of security in Odoo. Until then, keep learning and keep building amazing Odoo solutions.